Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Al Foreman with the Foreman Journal. I'm really excited to be well within the midst of the second session of the Foreman Journal Youth Media Workshops here with the City of Pittsburgh. We have the privilege of being in the council chambers. Our youth are getting experience being in official settings, doing official business, learning journalistic skill sets, and building structures. So we're having a lot of fun. Consider the Foreman Journal for our second session, which will start June 20th and go through July 1st. Again, it's the Youth Media Workshop, the ages of 10 and 16. We're going 9 to 3 every day, gaining confidence and improving in their public speaking abilities. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Once again, Al Foreman in the City of Pittsburgh with the Foreman Journal.